It's so yummy until it kills you. Until it takes out the knife. I don't get it. Okay, valid strategy is I just inhale the whole thing and then immediately drink the milk afterwards, but where's the suffering in that? That's just... There's no honor in that, I believe. Right? I don't know. Ugh. Oh, fuck. What am I supposed to do? I'm just sitting here! Ah! Am I doing... Just eat like a normal person? Okay, yeah, sure. Snot coming out my nose. Like, sure, okay. I'm fine, by the way, I'm fine.